Optic 22 bird, break 34, 86. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll. Going 7 times. Team's first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Titans up top. Chargers at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 here, 7 here. Nate up top. Matt Erdman at the bottom. Sort them out. Titans didn't sort. They're at the top for Nate. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Good luck, gentlemen. Here we go. Good luck. 22, Don Russ Optic. Again, Phoenix has 19 left. I'm going to run a 10-spot filler on that break next. So stick around. Take your spots in Phoenix. Good luck, good luck. Bailey Zappi for New England. Dave Montgomery on the orange and a Tristan Ebner. Montgomery to 199 for the Bears. Diamond Hands, Jamar Chase for the Bengals. And Derek Stingley Jr. Nice Diamond Hands there. On a Matt Erdman. Aqua, Josh Allen for the Jags to 299 and a Desmond Ridder. Sam Howell on the rookies and a Jalen Petrie. Silver, Montez Sweat and a Majai Sanders for the Cardinals. Pierre Strong, Jr. Newest, Cleveland Brown. Red, J.K. Dobbins to 99 for the Ravens and Tariq Woolen. J.K. to 99. And that is 11 out of 99 on the J.K. Dobbins. Yes, take your squads in Phoenix. 19 left, we got ink. Danny Gray to 150 on the auto. Niners and Nate Smith. There you go, Nate. Danny Gray on the ink. George Karlaftis on the rook. Kevin Byard and a Breece Hall for the Jets. Byard to 179 for the Titans and Nate. Cam Taylor Britt. Chargers cut Max Duggan. Man. To 125, Breece Hall for the Jets and a sauce. Nice one there for the Jets to 125, Breece Hall going to Joe Holloway. 71 out of 125 on the Breece. Sauce action. T-Law, legendary logos, and Keontae Ingram. Nice T-Law there for the Jags. Travis Kelce on the hollow and Rashad White. Starting running back, I think, for the Buccaneers. Stephon Diggs lighted up, and a Kenny Pickett for the Steelers. James Cook, nice orange there for the Bills, and Jahan Dotson. Nice James Cook for Buffalo. Cook, 76 out of 199, going to Donald. And Dotson. Fedarian Mathis for Washington. There you go, Steven. I know you love Fedarian. I know you love Fedarian Mathis. Kenneth Walker. Nice little color match there to $2.99 for Seattle. Sea Chickens and Nate Smith. $2.96 out of $2.99 on the K9. Kate Otten on the Silver Rook and a Kevin Harris. Last pack. $125, Antonio Gibson and Damian Pierce. Gibson to $125, going to Washington and Steven Scragg. That is 12 out of 125. Again, quick recap here, guys. Take your spots in Phoenix. Again, 19 left in that break. It goes next. We got Gibson, Otten, K9 to $2.99, Cook, Pickett, Hall, Byard, Danny Gray to $150 on the ink, Zappe, Ritter, Allen, Jamar Chase, Diamond Hands, and a David Montgomery. That's the break. Thanks for the fill.